friends, this is Varsha. I completed my undergraduation in the stream of computer science from Sri Venkateshwara Institute of Technology, Anantapur. After that, I started my career in Jspiders in the month of May as an incubation student, and I have taken course as Java full stack. For me, Java was taught by Anupama ma'am, Rahul sir, Akshay sir, and Pooja ma'am, and SQL was taught by Umashankar sir, and web technologies are taught by Shiran sir. I would like to thank each and every faculty, and I would like to thank all the HRs like Shivu sir, Adarsh sir, and Harish sir for keeping hope on me and adding for the requirements. For me, 8 to 9 requirements were added, and today I got placed in the company called YANTRA. And there were 2 rounds. One is communication and technical round, and the second round also technical round and management round. I suggest everyone to attend the grooming, and for me grooming helped me a lot, and grooming was done by Pawan sir, and a special thanks to Pawan sir and also Dharmadhara sir who groomed on SQL. And before joining to Jspiders, I got a very bad review on this. But even though I joined here with a little hope, after coming here I got to know what exactly happening here. Here training is really excellent, everything is fine, training and taking care of placements, whatnot, everything is fine. So I suggest you and I request you to join in Jspiders Hebbal. Thank you.